Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to find the top trending videos on a topic on TikTok using the new Explore feature. So the Explore section is catered for SEO and keyword searches, which has just appeared up on TikTok. So for those of you who don't see this, unfortunately, it might not be available in your region, or you'll just need to wait until TikTok rolls it out for everyone. So as you can see at the top here, there's this new Explore feature. This is where you'll see all the top trending videos from specific categories. So let me show you how you can get this Explore feature. So first you want to go to your App Store or your Play Store, search for TikTok and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now once you open the app, on the home page you'll see this new section here, STEM, Explore, Following, Friends, and For You. The new section is called Explore. So this is where you'll find all the top trending videos from categories. So there you go guys, that is how to find top trending videos on TikTok using the Explore feature. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.